Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Really appreciate your support guys, really appreciate you all. Yeah man, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing. So today guys, back in the kitchen making breakfast, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so I'm making fried plantain, some bacon and eggs. Alright, yeah man, thank you guys, really appreciate your support. Yeah man, so finally heard some good news guys. Yeah man, about my family. A good friend of mine check and let me know they're doing okay. I didn't really hear much guys, but just knowing that they are okay, it's such a relief, you know what I mean? Yeah man, it's such a relief guys. So feel like I haven't eaten in a day and a half, you know what I mean? So the feeling is a little bit better, yeah man, just knowing that they're okay, you know what I mean? I still have a little down feeling. I haven't speak to them directly, but just knowing that my family is okay, it's a good feeling. Yeah man, so I really appreciate you guys, really appreciate you. Flex, I said one love and much respect, you know what I mean? That is it. Yes guys, so the oil is hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry my plantain. Really love fried plantain guys, especially for breakfast, you know what I mean? That is it. Yes guys, so in the meantime, yeah man, I'm having some oatmeal, you know what I mean? Yeah man, oats and milk with honey. I don't like when my plantain over fried guys. That one just like them when they're golden brown, you know what I mean? That is it. Yes guys, so I greased my frying pan with some butter. I'm gonna slow fry my egg, alright? Yeah man, that's how I like it. I like to crack the yolk guys. I like to crack the yolk. Yes guys, plantain is ready. Yeah man, so I'm gonna sit them on this paper towel to get rid of most of the grease. I'm also making roti, guys. Okay, guys, so for my egg, use some garlic salt, just a little garlic salt, just for taste, and some cayenne pepper. I don't like to use black pepper, guys. You know, certain things, yeah, I'll use it, but don't really like to use black pepper. That's my egg. Yeah, man. Here's my roti, guys. And that's my roti. So for my roti, guys, I just grease the frying pan a little with some butter, and then I pan bake it on the stove. That's how I like it, guys. Add a little more cayenne pepper. Add just a little more cayenne pepper to my egg, guys. And that is it. That's how I like my egg, guys. So egg is ready, my plantain is ready. I'm just waiting on my roti right now. And get some bacon going. Yes, guys, so while I'm waiting on my bacon, I'm gonna saute some mushrooms, onion, and tomato. There are my mushrooms. Wash my hands. Wash my mushrooms, guys. Add my mushrooms to my frying pan. These are my cherry tomatoes, guys. Make sure I wash them. And cut them in half. cut my roti in 4/4. So on my mushrooms and tomatoes, guys, I'm sprinkling a little garlic salt. Some Italian herbs and spice. I have some purple onions. That is it, guys. Check on my bacon. Like to do my bacon on low flame, guys. And that is it. Yes, my peeps. Yes, guys, so there you have it. My bacon is ready. I'm gotta remove that extra grease, guys. That is it. So it's my breakfast. It's ready. It's time to eat. Thank you guys all for watching. So you have some fried plantain, egg, and my roti. Yeah, man. So most of you guys who do not know what roti is made from flour, baking powder, and a little salt, and you knead it into a dough, and you use your rolling pin and flatten it round, the round shape, and you pan fried it, or you can bake it. So how I does mine, I don't really pan fry it, guys. I grease the frying pan with a little butter and I pan bake it. All right, that is it. So thank you guys all for watching. Yeah, man, please continue to support my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment in that comment section. Tell me what you think about my breakfast, guys. All right, respect. Yes, guys, time to enjoy my breakfast. Gotta bless the food, guys. I'm gonna have to give thanks and praise to the Most High, you know. That is it. Mm. This is good. Mm. The mushrooms, everything is delicious. Yes, guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. Really appreciate you guys. Yeah, man. One love and much respect.